It's another play day in the forest with this beautiful little grouse. What a pretty girl. What a pretty girl you are. Yes, you are. Well, come play with me. Come on, silly girl. Oh, my. She's nibbling all over me, making sure she's safe. What a pretty baby. Come on. Come on up. Come on. You can do it. I know you want to. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Oh, look what you did. Wow. You're so brave. Yes, you are. You're not just pretty, you're brave. Look at you. Oh my. What a pretty girl. Yes. I'm proud of you too. You did so good. What a beautiful girl you are. Yes. Want to do it again? Well, come on. Yeah. You can do it. Come on. Let's see. Oh, look at you. Oh, my goodness. What a good girl. You are so brave and smart. Yes, you are. No, she wants to get to my face so bad. And I put the phone between us because I don't have any glasses on. And because she's still pecking at me like that when she doesn't get her way. So, as we evolve, I'll eventually get her up on my arm and let her near my face, but not until she learns not to peck on me. What a neat bird. What a good girl. Come back and play some more. Come on. I'm putting in so much time with her. Look at you. Look at you. What a good girl. Look what you can do. My goodness. Yes, you are a good girl. Now, the way that I'm sitting, she could actually jump onto the crook of my arm if she wanted to. And I probably might let her, but I don't know. She's really pecking at me a lot. She's giving me the what to. Why do you have this jacket on? And why can't I get right up onto you by your face? I love you too. What a pretty girl. Oh, hey, that kind of hurt. And I don't react at all when she bites me, even when it hurts. Because if I gave her a reaction, she might do it even more. And she's really just making sure it's safe. That's all she's doing. She's not trying to hurt me. What a good girl. What a good girl. But once in a while, those pecks hurt a little bit. Never when she gets where I have clothes on. That never hurts. But when she pecks my skin, a little bit. Just have to be ready and know it's going to happen, and then it's really not a big deal. And she's hiding behind me now. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Coming back around. There she is. There's the prettiest girl in the forest. Oh my. Isn't she brave? She is. Once she gets started, she really likes to show off. Don't you? Oh, oh. She really does. She likes to show off for my camera. She's gotten very used to it. She used to peck at it, but she very rarely does that anymore. Except for now, because she wants to get to my face. I just can't let that happen. I'm sorry. I can't begin to describe what it feels like to have her jump on me. It's so neat. She's a pretty weighty little bird. Yeah, she is. She's not little. And you really feel it. And it's amazing. I can tell she's not too fond of the jacket I'm wearing today. But that's okay. That's okay. She knows it's me. She comes running when I call her. Or flying. Yesterday when I left her, I was on my four-wheeler, and she didn't want me to leave, so she flew and landed on my head. She didn't stay there, but it was kind of crazy. Oh, Phoenix. Where are you hiding? There you are. Hey now. What's that about? What's that about? She's tugging at my jacket all over the place. Oh, hey. I don't even flinch when she does that. And even though I said ow, I say it in the same tone so that she doesn't really get a real reaction. It's the only way. It's the price you gotta pay to become friends with a wild bird. But see, this is what she really wants to do. And she wants my hand. She wants to get on my hand, I think. Here, let's try. Come on. Pretty sure this is what she wants. Come on. You know it's okay. So I'll leave my hand sit real still here for a minute and see if that's what she actually wants. It might be. Come on. I'd love to get her out on my arm extended, away from my face. I know she'll run right to my face if I do, but it's the first step, and I do want to hold her. Come on, Phoenix. Come on, pretty girl. Are you being shy? No, of course not. Of course not. Just a little careful. Oh, there you are. Hi, baby. Hi, my little baby. I sure love seeing you. Yes, I do. Well, I have a hard time leaving you every time I need to go. And you almost seem to sense it when I'm getting ready. You do. It's like you just know. But I'm a little cold. It's only in the 40s here this morning. And I'm sitting in a wet, muddy road with shorts on. So, I think I may have to go bye for now and come see you later, pretty girl. Oh, that one actually hurt a little bit, but I don't mind. Love you. The things I put up with. No, you got poo-poos on me and you're biting at me. Now it's time I say goodbye. Love you, pretty girl. It's always hard to say goodbye to you. I don't want to, but I have to. And you should go do what you need to do. I'll come back and see you later. Bye, my baby girl. Bye, my baby girl. It gets harder and harder to leave her. I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time.